Finn, sit. That's a good boy. Hey guys, Pepper Madness back here with Finn, my little wonder puppy. Little Irish Wolfhound, in case you guys haven't seen those other videos. Anyhow, here I'm gonna get back to the cooking videos here a little bit later. Everything's really icy outside right now, and it's affecting my health. And my dog wants to play while we're on video, of course. Anyhow, so what I'm going to do today, I got to stay inside a bit here. I got something going on right down into my kidneys, and since those first hard hits of weather we've had just before Christmas and stuff, lots of migraine headaches and some really nasty ear infections. You know, and then the water, freezing the one time and having to fix that, and then wheel bearing going out on the truck, all sorts of other things happening. I have been able to really get over here and fill up my orders, which are growing longer and longer, or even to get into town. Just got the wheel bearing fixed like about 4 days ago, I believe. Been helping a neighbor go get his firewood in and stuff like that. So it's been pretty busy. Sorry if I've neglected anyone. A couple of you guys out there have ordered a few things from me. So anyhow, I'm going to get at it today here. I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway video here shortly. I'm just kind of deciding whether I'm going to, just do a giveaway on a small cleaver. This is the blank, of course. Obviously, I'm going to force that today on film, or maybe a knife, an axe. I got a couple axe heads over here that I got. This little tomahawk here, spring steel, forge welded her all together. It's all one piece, welded up really nice. I got this Viking style axe made up. The whole blade right here is spring steel, and of course, if you can see it there, the socket. The socket color is made out of a rasp, out of a farrier's rasp, so it gives it a pretty cool looking design. Just a few examples of that. So if you got any suggestions for a giveaway, that'd be great. I'm not going to make a monster cleaver for a giveaway. That's just way too much. Way too much at this point in time. So let's get on with the video and forge up a small kitchen cleaver. Alright, so we're going to start off with this nice little blank right here. I'll get the whole thing in the picture. Okay, so unforged right now, it's at 4 1/4 on the blade and 4 inches on the handle. Okay, this will be drawn out just a little bit, and of course it's not super thick. It's only quarter inch thick right now. Okay. Of course, this blade will probably end up being about, flip that over just so you guys can see. The blade will probably end up being about that wide, probably at least a 1/2 inch wider than what it is right now. that's looking pretty good. She's all sitting nice and flat. Take off my ear protection. Yeah, so there it is. Nice little kitchen cleaver. Next step is I'll let it cool here, and I'm going to take it over to my my bench grinder. Sorry about that, guys. I'm still sick as a dog. I'm sweating like crazy. So I'm just going to let it cool, take it over to my bench grinder, wire wheel it all off, clean it, and then we'll do some grinding for the edges. I'll put some holes in here for the pins, for the handle, and for this one here I'm going to use birch. Pretty cool looking shape to it. Cleaned it up a little with some grinds. Now we'll go and do the bevel. And yes, this is why I sound funny. So a little suggestion for you guys whenever you're grinding, especially with stones, well actually any abrasives when you're grinding, remember to wear your eye protection and some sort of breathing respiratory protection, okay? Especially if you're doing a lot of this. Even doing woodwork, you should at least wear a dust mask. That all the particulate stuff can get in your lungs and it just doesn't come out. All right. Okay. We'll go over and do some bevel grinding and clean this puppy right up. Okay guys, so after a little bit of rough grinding here, I've got her down to the general shape and form of it all. Oh, see, I got some roughs right in there. A bit of glare, sorry about that. So I've about had it for today. Pretty beat up. Tomorrow we'll do part 2. I'll drill out I'll do some finishing on this probably later tonight after I catch a little bit of a nap here, I think. And tomorrow we'll come out and we'll do the pinholes in the handle and put a nice I got some really nice seasoned birch, heartwood birch. So yeah, that'll do it for that. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow for part 2.